Thank you for tuning in to understand mixtures. So milk, tea, and sugar are mixed in the ratio 5:1:2. If their cost were 100 shillings, 50 shillings, and 180 shillings respectively, determine the selling price to make a profit of 10%. So the first thing is to understand that the cost price is given by the formula the first mass, which is mass 1, times its price, which is cost 1, plus the second mass, which is mass 2, times its price, which is cost 2, plus the third mass, which is mass 3, times its cost, which is cost 3, divided by the sum of the masses, which is mass 1 plus mass 2 plus mass 3, or in other words, ratio 1 plus ratio 2 plus ratio 3 if they are ratios. For example, for our case, we have ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 3. Therefore, it becomes ratio 1 times its corresponding cost, which is 100, ratio 2 plus the corresponding cost in that manner. So for our question, the cost price becomes, so the first ratio is 5 here, so 5 times the corresponding cost is 100 times 100, plus the second ratio is 1, so 1, corresponding cost is 50, then plus the last ratio is 2, corresponding cost is 180, then divided by the sum of the ratios. This 5 plus 1 plus 3, 5 plus 1 plus 2, that gives us from the calculator 910 divided by 8, so which gives us 113.75 shillings. Then we are supposed to find a price that will give us a 10% profit. So remember, this is the cost price, which corresponds to 100%. So what about if you are making a profit of 10%? So you shall say that if 100% is equals to 113.75, what about 110? So 110 divided by 100 times 113.75. And that one from the calculator still gives us 125.125 shillings. So feel welcome to ask the second question, then we shall revise together.